Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best iDeal Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. iDeal is a Dutch financial project based on online banking. iDeal carries a multitude of benefits, including a user-friendly interface, two-factor authentication, speedy transactions, and no registration is required. iDeal payments are made through the use of a mobile banking application or the online banking environment for the trader's chosen bank. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best iDeal Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best iDeal Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker, was established in 2005, serves over 1,200 clients around the world, and connects traders to the markets through electronic bridges and DMA pricing models. FP Markets offers traders access to trade over 13,000 products ranging from Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with a variety of tradable market instruments, access to their mobile applications, virtual private servers, lower spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies, a trader's hub that delves into various fundamental and technical analytical news, trading guides, market insights, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with FP Markets. At number 4 on our list is BD Swiss. BD Swiss is a European brokerage firm that was established in 2012 in Switzerland. The company has a reach that spans over 125 countries, with a client base of over 1 million registered accounts. BD Swiss offers traders the opportunity to trade an array of financial instruments, such as currencies, stocks, commodities, indices, and more. Their accounts are available on Demo, Classic, VIP, and Raw spread accounts. With lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, live support, daily analysis, free live webinars, access to over 250 instruments, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, BD Swiss Web Trader, and their Mobile Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. BD Swiss also provides their very own educational research and learning panels, which cover daily videos, daily market analysis, technical analysis, Forex educational ebooks, beginner Forex lessons, a variety of live educational videos, as well as seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with BD Swiss. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into a variety of trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 2 on our list is BlackBull Markets. BlackBull Markets is a Forex and CFD brokerage, which is fully regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014, with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. BlackBull Markets is a true ECN, no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BlackBull Markets web trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. BlackBull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and much more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with BlackBull Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best iDeal Forex brokers, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker. Founded in 2011, FXTM primarily remains a MetaTrader-only broker and offers 7 account types that provide traders with access to up to 59 currency pairs, as well as CFDs on 173 single stock shares. FXTM provides services and specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN 0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, a variety of ebooks, great customer support, and more if you are looking to expand your trading education with FXTM. And those are some of the top 5 best iDeal Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.